Hi, I'm David Stewart. I'm an engineering manager at Intel, part of our Open Source Technology Center, working to make Intel architecture and Xeon the best for using Solaris and the OpenSolaris operating system. And one of the key things I want to talk about today is the whole area of, well, what we talk about is manageability, but what it really comes down to is a thought process that says, gee, Intel makes, millions of PCs, and one of the things that we've noticed is a big cost of having a PC is that, if something breaks or maybe the operating system hangs or something like that, I mean, if you have to send a technician to go fix it, it's not a very good use of money because it actually costs a lot of money to do that. So can we build some smarts into the PC that makes it easier to actually manage these things remotely? And would love to have OpenSolaris and Solaris work with that as well, because in fact we know that there are businesses large and small that want to have workstations running Solaris and OpenSolaris. Maybe you have PCs running it that you have developers working on. You'd like to include them in the management sort of domain that you have other kinds of PCs in that you manage with some sort of management software. So this is something we are excited about what we're doing with Solaris and OpenSolaris to join this sort of overall manageability function. And so what I'd like to do is share with you how this works and kind of an outline as to how this works. And so in this scenario what we have is a managed system here where we have Solaris or OpenSolaris running on like a workstation, and this is maybe Intel vPro technology or the Intel Centrino Pro processor-based laptops. And in this case, we would have a management console. Now this could be a third-party product. Many management products are enabled with Intel Active Management Technology, or AMT. Or there's actually an AMT commander that's available that you can run. And this thing will connect over a network using some standard protocols like WSMan or SOAP. And that using these industry standard protocols, you're actually able to communicate with the management engine. And that management engine, or ME, is the key piece of hardware technology that we've built into this Intel vPro technology based system. And so in this case, the NIC that's built into the PC itself will actually be able to intercept these packets and be able to direct them to the management engine, so you can actually remotely monitor the system. You can tell whether the operating system is alive. You can reboot the system, things of that sort. There's a lot that you can do even without the operating system being present. But if the operating system is present, we've added some capabilities here, and this is some of the key contribution that we've made within Solaris and OpenSolaris is actually a device driver that's called the HECI driver, and this is the thing that will actually allow you to communicate with the ME from the operating system, and then both configuring the ME as well as being able to do some monitoring and active management of the system. We also have a community contribution of this piece called the Local Manageability Service, or LMS. And what that does is that actually lets us monitor what's going on and access from user level things that are going on with HECI and ME. Now, how you can take advantage of this right away is that one of the things you can do is just open up your local IP address and go to port 16992, and if you get a connection accepted, while you're actually able to talk to this whole management capability, your system is enabled for AMT. So you can use this capability and then use what we're delivering as part of OpenSolaris to build on these things. We're only using these open protocols that allow you to actually take advantage of them. Now what's coming in the future then is that not only can you put your Solaris or OpenSolaris system into a managed domain, we actually have some other technology called Quiet System Technology, QST, that would allow you to do things, again working with the hardware, but from your Solaris or OpenSolaris environment, you'll be able to do things like monitor fan speed, monitor system temperature, actually adjust the acoustic properties of your system. And so by doing that, what you're able to do is really have a lot of great controls available to you from the Solaris or OpenSolaris sort of environment. Now, how you can get involved in this? Well, go to opensolaris.org. We encourage you to join the Intel Platform Project. This is a great opportunity for you not only to look at the source code, see what it is that we are doing here in this manageability space, be able to make contributions, join the discussion, and take advantage of this whole capability, both AMT and in future QST, to be able to really manage systems better under Solaris and OpenSolaris.